I'm Elaine and welcome to my kitchen. Well, we have made it to the end of September, 1st of October, and we all know that begins football season. So I wanted to include some recipes that you can use during those game day parties, some appetizer recipes that are very, very good. So the first one I wanted to do was a recipe that my daughter made. She actually won a blue ribbon for this recipe. So now I've cut it in half since it's just my husband and me, but you could easily double this recipe for if you're going to have a large crowd of people over on a game day or whatever. Also good for a Halloween party because you can shape this into a spider. I'll show a picture of that too, but I'm going to list her recipe, her full recipe in the description below so that if you want to make this for a gathering you can. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, I'm going to bring this up a little bit closer. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to add is one 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Okay, and let me just scrape this off and get this in there. Okay, got it. Okay, rinse off just a little bit here before I go on. Okay, and now to that, we're going to add half of an 8-ounce container of pub cheese. This one is sharp cheddar. You want the sharp cheddar flavor. So let me just reach in my drawer here and get a spoon. And I'm going to sort of just cut this in half with the spoon and add half of this in. You would add, if you're doubling this recipe and making the whole container, or making a whole recipe, you would add the whole container. And you would add 2 packages of cream cheese and not just one like I did. Okay, and now to that we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of grated sharp cheddar cheese. And now to that, her recipe calls for a 4.5-ounce package of bacon bits, which equals 1 to 1.5 cups. So I'm using 2/3 of a cup of bacon bits. I think that'll pretty well balance that out. Okay. And I am going to add 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. You can add more if you really like garlic, but her recipe calls for 2 to 4 cloves. But we're not really big garlic fans, so I'm not adding a whole lot. Okay, and then to that, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, there we go. Okay, move this out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to put this on my mixer and I'm just going to mix this together until these are well combined, and when I get that done I'll be back with you and show you what to do next. Okay, I have this mixed together thoroughly, and so what I'm going to do now is I am going to shape this into a log. So let's just bring this, our plastic wrap over, and we're going to get this shaped into a log. So you see how easy that is. Okay, so now at this point we're going to just go ahead and wrap this up. And I am going to put it in my refrigerator. Okay, so when this gets firm, it'll take about an hour in the refrigerator, and when this gets firm, I'll be back and show you what to do next. Okay, my cheese log has been chilling in the refrigerator for just about an hour. And what I have here is about 1/2 cup of pecans that I have ground up, and I'm just going to start rolling this cheese log in these pecans. and putting them over top and just pressing these in. Just like that. This is a great little appetizer to serve for company, and you have people over for those games and different things that you're going to have this fall. Also, it makes a really cute spider, and I'm going to show you a picture of one that I made a few years ago for a Halloween party that I was having for my piano students, and it went over very well. And what I'll do is I'll put the picture of that up, and I will put the instructions to do that in the description below, so that you'll have that if you want to try making one of those spiders, because they're fun, they're easy to make. Okay, we're just about got it all. Okay, now what you would do at this point is transfer this over to a serving plate, and you can chill this until you're ready to use it, and surround it with crackers, and it actually makes a pretty little appetizer. Okay, so I do thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this in the future. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.